Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Text. So now we are going to deal with raise box command. Basically what this command is for. If you want to take better control over your text position, this is right tool to go. So right here you see that I have some paragraph for referencing. So now I'm going to use command raise box like this. So what these arguments are for. So first argument is going to tell how much in y-axis this text is going to climb. If we say something like 2 centimeters, that means instead of printing this text on this position, we are going to set it 2 centimeters up. And for height, I am going to set 0 centimeters for now. And now we are going to write some text to it. Let's say text is going to be huge, some text. Save it. You see, instead of having this second paragraph beneath first one, we have this paragraph over it. And not only that, we could go with 0.5 centimeters. What we are going to get now, save it. We have text over text in this case. And you could actually use this command to set this second paragraph lower on y-axis with providing minus sign. So minus 2 centimeters. Save it. And you see what result we have now. Let's set this to 0. So this is regular position. And now there is another argument. With this optional argument, we could actually set distance in another way. So with first argument and positive numbers, we are going to rise position. With this optional argument and positive numbers, we are going to lower position of our text. So now I'm going to make bigger distance like this. And let's say that you want to have more space on the left. How to do that? You probably know about vertical space command, but there is also H space or horizontal space, and let's set it to 2 centimeters like this. Save it, and yes. So that's all for this episode, guys. I truly hope that you have learned something interesting, so please like and subscribe, and see ya.